guys, this is unboxing and hands-on review of Honor 10. Today an unveil event in China, Huawei's sub-brand Honor announced the arrival of the Honor 10 flagship smartphone. So let's start the unboxing and see what's inside this box. The Honor 10 features a very impressive glass chassis that possesses the ability to show different colors when it is viewed from different angles. The Honor 10 has an aluminum frame that is flanked with glass panels on both sides. The device measures 7.7 millimeters thick and weighs 153 grams. The Honor 10 uses a biaxial curved glass design that allows it to show off endless colors when it is viewed from different angles. In addition to Phantom Purple and Phantom Blue color variants that produce infinite colors, the Honor 10 will be also available in colors like Seagull Gray and Midnight Black in China. Like the P20, the Honor 10 features a notched display. It is fitted with a 5.84-inch LTPS LCD screen that offers screen resolution of 2280 by 1080 pixels, along with an aspect ratio of 19:9. The handset also provides an option to hide the notch by blackening the areas that are present on its either sides. The home button placed on the bottom bezel of the Honor 10 is integrated with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It is more accurate than traditional fingerprint scanner. Also, it can be used to unlock it even with wet fingers. As for the performance, the Honor 10 is powered by Kirin 970 chipset that brings along NPU unit for handling AI tasks. Unlike the P20, that comes in a single option of 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage, the Honor 10 comes in multiple variants. The different models of the Honor 10 are 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The 3320 mAh battery of the phone is enabled, with support for supercharged 5-volt charging technology. It allows the phone to gain 50% of power by charging it only for 25 minutes. When it comes to photography, the Honor 10 offers a dual camera setup. It has f1.8 aperture 16 megapixel plus f1.8 aperture 24 megapixel dual camera setup. There is no Leica branding for the dual rear cameras that can be found on Huawei P20 and P20 Pro smartphones. With AI 2.0, the horizontally arranged dual camera sensors carries support for scene recognition like food, scenery, and so on. When there are many people in the scene, the Honor 10 can precisely blur the people in the background and focus more on the subject. The Honor 10 houses the same 24-megapixel selfie camera that is available on the P20 series smartphones. As for the price, the 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variants are respectively priced at 2,599 yuan, $414, 2,999 yuan, $477.